Natural home remedies for crow's feet. Crow's feet are the small wrinkles that form around your eyes and are, unfortunately, an inevitable part of aging. As you age, your skin becomes less elastic, your body creates fewer essential proteins, like elastin and collagen, and you don't replace skin cells as rapidly. That's when fine lines and wrinkles, like crow's feet, start to show. While crow's feet and fine lines are unavoidable, you can slow down the aging process with a few easy natural home cures. Here are some natural home remedies that you can add into your skincare routine to lessen the impact of crow's feet. 1. Egg white face mask. Magnesium, which is found in egg whites, is excellent for your health because it detoxifies and purifies the skin. Additionally, egg whites will tighten the skin and give it a smoother appearance. Whip an egg white until it is foamy, apply to your face, and then apply a second coat after the first has completely dried. After 15 minutes, wash off the mask with soap and water. You can use this mask a few times each week. 2. Aloe vera. Aloe vera has excellent antioxidant qualities and is a rich source of vitamins and minerals. The aloe vera plant contains significant amounts of the antioxidant vitamins A, C, E, and B12. This plant also has choline and folic acid, both of which are advantageous for the skin. Slice a fresh aloe vera leaf in half, then squeeze the gel out of the leaf. Apply the gel to your face, leave on overnight, and then wash face with cold water in the morning. 3. Coconut oil. Your skin can really benefit from coconut oil's nourishing properties. Coconut oil has linoleic acid and vitamin E, which can help heal damaged skin tissues. Each night before bed, apply a few drops of coconut oil around your eyes and massage in gently. 4. Lemon exfoliator. Lemons are strong in citric acid, which acts as an exfoliator to refresh your skin. Lemon juice effectively eliminates dead skin cells, making you appear younger. Fresh lemon juice should be applied to your crow's feet daily, left on for 10 minutes, and then rinsed off with cool water. 5. Cucumber eye patches. Cucumbers have significant concentrations of thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, B5, and B6. These vitamins and nutrients calm the skin and aid in minimizing wrinkles. While lying down, place a small slice of cucumber over each eye, and leave in place for about 10 minutes every night before bed. 6. Honey and yogurt mask. Honey helps to moisturize skin and kill bacteria. Additionally, it functions as an antioxidant to keep your skin feeling supple. Yogurt's lactic acid exfoliates the skin, helping to keep it smooth and firm. Mix together equal parts honey and plain yogurt, apply the mixture to your face, and then wash off with cold water after 10 minutes. Applying these natural therapies to your face will yield excellent results, reducing the need to spend a fortune on cosmetics to maintain youthful, attractive skin. Additionally, natural components are healthier for your skin than some of the harsh chemicals found in some cosmetics. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.